Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, if you're working on kitchen cabinets and things like this and you don't have a big workshop, there's ways to actually do it without that workshop. You need a special tool. You need something like the Kreg Rip Guides. So what a rip guide will do is it'll do away with having to use a table saw to make long rips of plywood. So you have a cross cut like this across plywood, and then you have that long rip cut. Now, even on a table saw, that rip cut can be kind of painful. You have to have tables on the other side, make sure that you're holding up even, make sure you're up against that guide. This is extremely fast. Now, I have two of them. This is my original one, and I have a piece here that's been broken that came off here. Used this for a long time. There's a couple of drawbacks to this particular version. For one, it only has two pieces holding the saw in place. The second part of that is the two pieces that hold it. They are basically a mold type of metal. They use a mold, they pour the metal in, and it has little porous air pockets in them. And if you crank these down too much on your saw, you're liable to actually snap it off, which is ultimately what I did here. Other than that, though, this has been a pretty good one, and it's worked extremely well. I will say that if you're going to use a battery operated saw, that this one's probably a little better because the battery operated saw is going to be a little lighter, and the two crank down spots are going to be a little bit more efficient at holding that saw to the actual unit. Now, if you're going to use a little more powerful saw, I like to use a dedicated saw like this, which is plug in, so that I never have to pull it off. I can leave this on at all times because once I get it all dialed in, I like to leave it that way. So, like I said, it's dedicated. Now, this is different though on the new version, the slide I think is a little bit better. It's easier to read. They've done it in black. They give you 4 tie downs. So I have 2 in the back as well. So it holds my sled down all the way and I don't have to worry about it coming loose. They've also modified and changed the hold downs where they're not made of the same type material and they shouldn't break on you as easily. And all you're going to do is you're going to take this piece and put it on the side, figure out what your measurement is. You turn the little lock here and move this to wherever that you want it using your guide at the top, your measurement, and you're just simply going to go down it and cut it and make your cut that way. Now, I will tell you, I like to personally, I will still pull a tape and make sure exactly where I am before I make a big long cut, especially on an expensive piece of plywood. Now, if you've got it dialed in perfectly and you feel 100% comfortable that it's going to be exact at all times and you haven't bumped it, then by all means, just use the guide they have here. But overall, guys, I think it's a fantastic tool. I think it's well worth it. It saves you from having to have a big table saw. It saves your back as well. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.